Hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back, an old man in the land of grills, which we are. We're gonna be doing our first cook. Isn't that exciting? Our first cook on this new Z Grills for 2021 700 series, folks. This one's got the PID in it. It's got a 24-pound hopper in it. It's got the bigger wheels on it with casters on it, and it's got a pellet clean out in the back. This thing is a phenomenal pellet grill, folks. Tried out that PID controller, and for over an hour, I put it through its paces. On the low side, smoke is 160 on there. On the high side, 450 is on the high, and it did a really nice job of holding temps. Did some puck tests inside with some temperature pucks, and it was pretty even. It was I would say it was above average for a pellet grill. That's what I would say. So what we're gonna do today is our first cook. We've got some pork butts we're gonna throw on there. So folks, I'll tell you what, we're gonna get this fired up. We're gonna do it on smoke for a while, get some smoke in there for a couple hours, and then we're going to take the temp up. We're gonna use the temp probes that come with it, and it's just gonna be a good cook today. I'll tell you what, oh man, pork butt. Pulled pork is just phenomenal, folks. If you've never had pulled pork, what are you waiting for? Go take a look at those butts while I'll get this fired up. All right, I said pork butt, folks. I'm sorry. I meant pork butt roasts. These are 2 4.5 pounders. I was looking for pork butts, and I couldn't find any. Then I did, and they were more per pound than these 2 little 4.5 pound pork butt roasts were. So I went with that. They're already trimmed up. I didn't have to really do any trim. There is a bone on both of these. I put a little binder down. You know how I love the Zang stir fry oil, garlic infused, folks. This stuff is awesome. And then, have you checked out Burn Pit Barbecue? Veteran owned. This is their Fire for Effect. This is their sweet heat. This stuff is really nice. www.burnpitbarbecue.com. They got a lot of good stuff over there. And folks, this is just going to go on like this. I'm going to use probes, put it in there. We're going to do low smoke for a couple hours, and then we're going to bump things up and take them up to 205, between 205 and 210-ish until they're ready to pull. So let's get them on the grill. All right, folks, just put the pork butt roast on. I've got it on smoke. Smoke setting on this is 160, and you can see we're reading 160. Hey, we checked out Tom Horseman at YouTube, Land of Grills, folks. And I've got one probe, and remember there's 2 probes on there, and you can see it's reading 42 degrees right now. It's a colder day today. It's only in the low 40s. Pretty windy, so we'll see how this grill handles in colder temps. With the wind today, and that's why I like a pellet grill that doesn't have the slots in the back, because with the slots in the back, the wind, the rain, the snow can all blow in there. By having the chimney, that helps keep all that wind and rain and snow out of there. If I had, first of all, this PID, it's been working phenomenal. I did a burn-in with this. We were down on the low smoke held that for a long time. Did a very nice job at 160, 165. If I had any criticism, this goes in 5-degree increments, the readout there. So, that's a little bit different. I noticed that right away. High end, this thing is 450, and, if you press the feed button to give it a quick burst, I was able to get it up to 475. So let's take a quick look here. Oh, you got a little smoke rolling there. I like it. And there's our butts. We got one probe in there. And we'll just monitor. There's no reason to use both on there. That'll give me a general idea as to where they are. So we'll give you a couple look-sees as we proceed here, folks. All right, folks, I did 1 hour on smoke. I didn't get that. I had to work this morning, so I didn't get this on until like 11:30. So we were kind of doomed for doing this low smoke for very long. So then we bumped it up to 225. We're at 3 hours right now. You can see our temp probe is saying it's 114. So yeah, we got 100 degrees to go yet, or a little less than that. And the PID is doing a great job of holding it right around 225. Let's take a look at pellet consumption. Remember, I did a 45-minute burn-in on high yesterday, and this has been 3 hours now, and it's about 20-some degrees colder today than it was yesterday. So it's about average, for 700 square inch pellet grill. I think it's doing a great job. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, nice. Oh, look at that color. Holy smokes! Nice color on those pork roasts there. Man, oh man. Keep on going. Give you a couple more looksies. When we get to about 160, we're going to be wrapping it. So I'll give you a look-see when we get to 160. All right, folks, we are 5 hours into it. I said I wanted to get to the 160s before I wrapped, and that's where we are right now. I did bump temp temp up a bunch here to 325. And that's where we're at right now. The temperature has changed a lot here. We started at 40 degrees, 41, 42, which is light breeze, and now it's just blowing like crazy. And it is mid-30s. It's cold out. So give you one more look-see. Man, I'll tell you what, Z-Grill is performing well. We are going to wrap these suckers up, and I'll give you a look-see once they come out of that. Well, after over 6 hours, folks, oh man, look at that. Bones pulled right out, and this will pull very nicely. Nice smoke ring there. Tell you what, you got burn pit barbecue on there. Look at how this pulls right apart right there. We're gonna keep on pulling this up. Sandwiches for the rest of the week, folks. Look at that. Very nice, very nice. Just hot. Nice smoke ring. Oh. Tom Horseman YouTube, thumbs up, leave a comment. And as always, folks, appreciate you watching. Thank you.